God's world. I think it's I don't know where I left off at, but I think the last time we were talking about it, actually got some. Well, let's see if I can get my camera together. I think never did that one. Yeah, so these Dorman plugs. Here's a part number if you have my block is a 0351 alphabet block. It's a W block with 4 bolt mains on all 5 caps. So if you have that series, this will be the freeze plug they do. So got my freeze plug. So been watching videos. I actually talked to a couple of my buddies that has done this job before. This is definitely my first time, my first rodeo with it. So try to complete it. So one of the things they did recommend was finding a socket and basically make sure it has a little playroom in there. So as you see, I got a little room around. So when you knock it in there, you can get your socket out. When the guy said they actually got one that was the exact size, knocked it in there, or couldn't knock it in there because it was collapsing around the edges of this. So this is actually like a 24 millimeter. It's actually what I use to take off my lug nuts. But so they do a little permatech around the edges, so I'm gonna try that. And I'll see if I can get you some videos of me. I don't know if I can get my camera staged, but worst case, I'll set it somewhere and see if I can get it recorded for us. So hang tight with me. Let's see if we can go through this process and see how bad it is. Good, and at least give it a try at the worst case. That's I hope. So at least give it a chance to. I did watch a video, so they just dabbed a little bit. You can use the red or the silver gasket maker. Try not to apply too much here. I'm according to them. I mean, I don't need a whole lot, just enough to form a little gasket. It's just going to squeeze it pretty good. So just try to get a little bit on all of it and knock it in there. And I think this gasket maker says it only needs like a couple hours to cure. So if it goes well, I should be able to put water in there, see if I got any leaks, I would guess. So try to put a thin coating around the whole thing. Go from there. So alright, let's see what we got. All right, guys, I had to get my daughter to help me out, but hey, I think we got it. Wasn't the best. I will tell you that what made it real hard is right here. This stupid K member. Let me show you. This K member right here is right directly in front of it. So we got it in there. Let me see if I can get it. Yep. So I got it in there sealed. I got it about beveled with the other one. So what I did do, and I'll show you guys just in case you don't want to take it out the car, is I got this 5/8. Well, I got the ratchet we saw earlier. And as you can see, let me see if I can set this up. My hands are a little dirty. Give me a second. Yeah. So what I did do was, and I look like I took this, put it inside like here, and I had this. Sorry, I took. So you got your old one, stick it. Had it like that, and I just set this one inside here, and I beat this from the back side. So now it looks like I need to just knock this back out, but I'm let me switch it back to this side. But guys, I'm really happy. Now the test is I'll let this dry. Let me read this. I got a little gasket maker up there. They say I could do it when I put it around the edge right there. So I got it knocked in. It wasn't the purest thing, so it says apply the surface, let 24 hours. I'm not in no big rush, guys, so I'm gonna give it 24 hours. I'll let it sit and dry, and I put a little bit around the edge. And so tomorrow, what time is it now? It's 3:30 now. So tomorrow at this time, probably after I get off of work, tomorrow's Monday. After I get off of work, I'm gonna just at least put water in there. If water holds in there, I have no leaks, then I'll restart the process of, I think we talked about headers. So I already started taking so the tubes that don't get close to my bag, I'm just gonna take them off, because what happens, I found is that when you go to touch the thing, these little belts burn, and it's really hard to get in here. And then it also messed up my spacing between there. So guys, I'm gonna say again, I'm really happy because it didn't look like it was gonna work. I actually messed up one. I got in there, so what I'll show you I'll talk you through the process of if you have it in the car. So basically I started in the car, took my rubber mallet, probably wasn't the best idea, but I tapped it in to get it started, because the last time I knocked it in there, I actually knocked it in the kind of catty corner, and I had to, sorry about this lighting. I'm outside today and the sun is nice and bright, but I actually had to pull the other one out because it started, you can see kind of where it started catacorning itself in there and got, I'm sorry, it kind of got that edge. So I pulled it out, and it'd have been really easy if the block was out, and if I had my cherry picker and all that stuff like I wanted, that'd probably be the best bet. But I don't know how to say I'm ecstatic. So I'll the next time you'll see me out here, I'll be putting some water in here. So all right, welcome back to Hot Rods World and part 2. So I think the last time you saw me, I had added the water, and added the new sorry, I'm trying to get my stand together. Had added the new let me see if I can get it here because I had to fill it up. We finished the push freeze plug. Put the new freeze plug in. So now, been about 24 hours. I probably wait too late, but I might as well just wait till after work. So now, see if we can put some water in there and see what we have. Last time I didn't get to fill it up. And sound like I get some water here right now. Checking around. leaks on that one. No leaks. See how much water we got in here. Got a good amount of water in here, so we might be fixed, fellas. Well, everybody. Yeah, I hit my thing. So right now, I'm gonna turn the power on and turn my water pump on real quick. See if we can get water cycling through here. Just not gonna start the car. I just want to turn my water pump on. Pump is on, but I don't hear it. The water pump on, and appears I got no pump. So give me a second, guys. All right, wait. Welcome back. I was about to get really upset because my water pump wasn't working. So what I did was, right as I was going through, I had my let me see. I didn't put it up. Oh, had my electrical tester. And what I found was that when I went to put it on, the electric fan would come on, and when I turned it on, I saw it only had 6 volts. And I started the car, I think a while ago, when I was putting water in, I realized I didn't have water. Come to find out, the battery is about dead, and that's what caused the issue. So now, got my buddy in here, Ryan. Let me show you Ryan over here. He's ready to go. Got Ryan in here. You ready, Ryan? All right. What button we got to hit? All right, go ahead. Turn on. All right, turn it off. Ryan knows to turn on the water pump. So I got the battery charger on it. So now I got it running, no water, no issues right now. So let's see if I can keep filling up. All right, turn the pump on, Ryan. Okay, so it's finally coming through. I don't know if you can hear that motor. All right, turn it off, Ryan. It's got air in it, so I want to fill it up real quick. All right, turn it on, Ryan. All right, turn it off, Ryan. All right, let me fill it up one more time. All right, turn it on, Ryan. All right, turn it off. Okay. So me and Ryan are going through. I'm just popping it up now. Pull it on, Ryan. Long one. Turn the fan off. Okay. You good? All right, turn it off. All right, turn it on, Ryan. All right, turn it off. Almost finished, so. All right, one more time. All right, turn it off. Cool. Okay. All right, let me make a. All right, guys. So, sorry about the lighting in here. I'm staying outside. Hold on, Ryan. So, just got it. We got water back in it. Got the, like you say, it's not leaking right now. I'm gonna check over it one more time. Right now, I still have the exhaust off of it. I don't know if I got it too hot or whatever, but I got the ports all cleaned up, and I'm start taking off a lot of the tubing. Like you say, it's already nice titanium or whatever. So, I mean stainless steel. Sorry. So I'm gonna just take that covering off since it still burnt my bag pretty good. And but other than that, guys, I'll let this battery charge. The next time I will be, now that we got that fixed, I will be putting on. So when I come back next time, I'll have it back up, fired with water. Today is Monday, so I don't think I'll be. It's supposed to rain this week, but hopefully by next Thursday, I'll be making my first test pass. Find out if I didn't screw up this plate, and going from there. So, guys, until next time, as always, glad y'all hung around. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Hot Rods World.